Yeah, I know it looks funny, it looks goofy, and you all just haha. But the reason I was wearing socks that entire filming has a very dark backstory.
It's dark as fuck.
You see, this happened. I almost chopped my own leg with an axe. It was a pretty Sunday afternoon. Worked all day and I clearly remember being really exhausted. Then my dad pulls up and be like, "Yo, see that huge heap of dried branches that just cut off from all the trees around the yard? You've got to finish that job. Chop them all into smaller pieces, then store them in the barn." And believe me, it's easier to just do what my dad says than argue with him. So that's what I did. I picked up an axe and started chopping all those branches into roughly 20 centimeters long pieces. Around 15 minutes in, and I suddenly felt like my attention and focus are getting more and more blurred. And as you might expect it, I swing the axe once again, but this time I missed the branch completely, planting the axe blade right into my leg. Believe me, in a matter of milliseconds, I came back to all my senses. The adrenaline rush kicked in like a train wreck. I went to the bathroom to see the amount of damage I caused, and it was horrible. And to make the matters even worse, I sliced an artery, hence I couldn't stop the bleeding. Obviously, I called the emergency and I was transported there in a matter of minutes. As if the whole situation couldn't get any worse. The guys at the emergency literally told me they cannot use any anesthesia because I'm allergic to all the stuff they have, leaving me with just only one option. I had to clench my teeth against a towel roll and endure the whole ordeal. Just typing this text makes my skin crawl, goddamn. And the healing period was even more worse, but I'm not gonna talk about it. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is it. The reason I was wearing socks in this video, I was still in stitches, still in pain, with a drainage tube sticking out of my skin. I felt too embarrassed to show you this, and I definitely didn't want to use it as some sort of a flex. Alright, let's get back to the video.
You shut the fuck up!
Oh my god. I don't understand this weather at all. A couple of frames before you saw me half naked because the weather was ridiculously hot, and now you see me wearing thick clothing because this is the weather outside right now, and I don't understand how it works. I'm simply confused. So guys, as you see, I finally washed all those parts. They've been sitting in my workshop collecting dust and dirt for quite a while. I jet washed them. They look, well, let's say almost ready to be assembled back because there are a few small imperfections which needs to be buffed off. But before I do that, there are a few last things I need to do before finally assembling everything together. First of all, I need to restore the speedometer. Second of all, I need to restore the cables. Well, technically they work fine, but they look very bad. I mean, they're covered in this absolutely ugly, disintegrated black rubber on the surface, so I tried to somehow improvise. And I found a solution, and I'll show you what I mean. Alright, let's get to the work. Fuck. I'm gonna go fix my finger. Cable's done! Hell yeah, baby! Look at this beauty! Look at that! So nice! Alright. Next thing, the speedometer. Let's go! Alright guys, so as you already guessed, I will try to make this later model speedometer from early 80s look kind of like this. This is mid-70s style Tula speedometer, which is absolutely wrecked. So the only thing I will try to remove out of here is the arrow. Looks very nice, very retro, and I will try to put it here. The second thing I'll have to do is to replace the dial. This one is painted in here, and I will glue on this sticker, which a very good friend of mine drew for me. She drew an absolute identical copy to the original speedometer dial, while finishing this whole restoration with putting on this beautiful early model speedometer ring. Yeah, baby. All right, let's get back to work. All right, that's it. The speedometer is finished. Let's put it back. Yeah, I'm ridiculously tired, but I have no choice. I have there a huge mug of coffee. I'm gonna chug it down and get to the work. God, I'm so fucking tired. It's cold. The coffee's cold, so disgusting.
Parkour!
Noi petrecem chilipilați pe țară și câteodată câte doi pățani la strâns o mașină și trebuie 3, 4, 5 zile să o strângi, că e după pacrască, trebuie și toate unghiurile, tot frumos de pus, tot cele acurat. Așa că, încă o chestie, la noi nu era restaurație, la noi mai permitem așa în unele locuri să mai halturim, dar tu așa ceva nu-ți permit.
Конечно. Реставрация – это искусство. Oh my fucking god. You see, I stretched the spring a little bit on the vise. Let's see how it would work out. Well, it's definitely closer. Oh my fucking god. My hands are shaking. I didn't really need it, a cardio right now. At 2 o'clock in the fucking morning. Let's fucking go. Yes! Oh my fucking god. Ooh. Dude, this was super tough. Tougher than I really fucking needed. Now I need to remove the cable somehow. Hey, give me my fucking cable. Hell yeah, we're very close, guys. Very fucking close. Oh my fucking god, let me take a sip of my coffee. Oh jeez. Feels amazing. Да камон, блядь. This is the original pump which I found and restored as much as I could. Let's put it into its own place. You see, it doesn't sit fixed because the diameter of the handlebar is smaller than the inner diameter of this handlebar grip. So I came out with a genius idea. I bought a slice of a PVC pipe and then I cut the inner part on a lathe. That's it. Genius.
Sometimes my genius is almost frightening.